Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sync your contacts to Facebook Messenger. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your device and direct your attention to the lower right corner of your screen. You'll see a menu icon there, so go ahead and click on it. This will open up your main navigation options where you can access various settings and features within Messenger. Once the menu opens, look for the Settings option and click on it. This is where you can manage all your Messenger preferences, privacy controls, and account configurations. Settings is your central hub for customizing how Messenger works for you. Next, within the Settings menu, you'll need to locate and click on Accounts Center. This is Facebook's centralized area where you can manage information across all your connected accounts, including Facebook, Messenger, and Instagram. It's designed to give you control over how your data is shared and used across these platforms. Now, in the Accounts Center, find and click on your Information and Permissions. This section contains all the options related to your personal data and how you want to manage it. It gives you control over what information you share and how it's utilized across Facebook's family of apps. From there, look for the option that says Upload Contacts and click on it. This feature allows Messenger to access your phone's contact list, which helps the app suggest friends you might want to connect with and makes it easier to find people you already know on the platform. At this point, you'll see a list of your connected accounts. Click on your Messenger account to proceed. This ensures that the contact syncing applies specifically to Messenger and not to other connected services you might have linked to your Accounts Center. Once you've selected your Messenger account, you'll see the Upload Contacts option appear again. Click on it to move forward with the syncing process. This step confirms that you want to proceed with uploading your contact information to Messenger's servers. Now you'll see a toggle or button that says Turn On. Go ahead and click on it to enable contact syncing. This action grants Messenger permission to access and upload your contacts, which it will use to help you discover friends and connections you might already know who are using the app. After you turn on contact syncing, you'll be able to see people you may know based on your contacts. Messenger will now show you suggestions of people from your phone's contact list who are also using the app, making it much easier to connect with friends, family, and colleagues without having to search for them manually. And that's it. Your contacts are now synced with Facebook Messenger, and you'll start seeing friend suggestions based on your phone's contact list. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.